Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are prepared for this huge Christmas undecorating and storage declutter. There's a lot of good footage on here, especially if you guys have a real tree. You'll definitely want to stick around because seeing it at the end is like fulfilling in a way to see where it started and where it ended. But I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and let's go ahead and get started. Leia, so what's going on here? We're having a little meeting.
You can put it on the side behind right there on the door.
Okay guys, the house is a wreck. But we got a fire going. Or we will have a fire going all the way. So right now my little one's putting up groceries. And then at some point we've got to take down this tree. I have a lot of work ahead of me, as you can tell. There's like stuff all over the floor. I don't know if you guys can see that. One of the eggs cracked? It's okay. Just throw that one egg away. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing right now. So we're just putting up the rest of our groceries, and then I think right now, because I kind of have a headache, I think that I'm going to relax first and maybe watch a movie, and then we'll take down all the Christmas decorations. So everybody's doing their chores.
Mommy, just look inside. Inside.
I know, it's a bunch.
I was like letting them out.
Good job. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay, so the house is still a wreck and it's even worse than it was before. Tree's still up. So the tree's still up, and at some point, hopefully today, I'll get a chance to take all the Christmas tree decor down. But right now we're still watching movies. I feel a little better. My head stopped hurting as much. And actually, it doesn't hurt at all, so that's good. And I'm trying to find something to make. So, hold on, it's so bright. Goodness. I'm trying to find something to make, so I think we're just gonna do spaghetti for tonight. I need something easy, simple, and it feeds a ton of people, so that's what we're gonna do. So I ended up just doing a little bit of computer work for the night, and then I fell asleep. So then you're gonna see this next clip where I pick up the next morning. Okay guys, so I am finally, it's the next day, and I'm finally going to conquer this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that down, and all the Christmas decor everywhere. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put my Christmas socks on because my other ones just got wet right now. Okay guys, oh my god, you have to listen to this, how dry my tree is when I was taking off the ornaments. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's a dry tree. Okay, so I've done as much as I can with the tree. As you can see, it's pretty bare now. Like, all the needles pretty much fell off and onto the floor. So, but as you can see here, I kind of sorted. So now my Christmas tree decor is in 2 bins, which I really didn't want, but I don't have a choice, I guess, really. I don't want to go over my 4.5 to 5 bins that I have for Christmas. I just feel like that's too much. But I did buy a whole lot of new Christmas decor this year, like all these little cute snowballs. And yeah, so they're overflowing now. So we've got 2 bins with Christmas decor, and last year it was only 1 bin. Okay, I think we're going to go over my 4 bins because I already have the 2 that have the Christmas tree, just for the Christmas tree decor, and then I have so far 2 for this is like other, you know, other random decor, like these Christmas trees, and like I still have more stuff. How many bins do you guys have? Let me know in the comments below. Like, how many is too many? I don't know. I just realized that the stockings in the background, I totally forgot to pack those. So okay, for the most part I made it. We've got the 4 bins, so I made it into 4 bins, but I am overflowing into this. And then now that I forgot the like the stockings and stuff, I'm gonna try to see if I can squeeze those into this bag as well. Okay, so here is everything I'm keeping, and actually I still need to add the pillows. I have more pillows, but this is the giveaway pile, so not too bad. Okay, so my oldest son just finished taking the tree outside, but look how messy a real tree is. This is like crazy. I mean, there's needles everywhere, so I'm really, it was so bright. I'm really thinking about this real tree thing. I've been getting a real tree every year since my kids were like little, so it's been like, I don't know, 13 plus years, but I don't know, this is so messy, guys. What I might do though, I might get like a regular fake Christmas tree for like the living area, and then just maybe a small little one from the tree farm, so we can like keep that tradition going. I don't know, this is, I'm the one that has to clean it up, so this is a lot of needles everywhere.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I,
Check out how full this bag is of tree needles that just fell off the tree when we were taking it down. Okay, so this is the entryway. I just kind of cleared off the shelf there. I have some spring decor, but I'm not going to bring them out just a second. I'm going to wait a little bit. And then here is the living room. So very bare. And I don't have that much decor in here yet either. So I didn't pull out my spring decor yet. So we're just gonna wait on that. And this is, so as you notice, it looks pretty bare, pretty minimal, which I'm okay with because right now that's kind of my style because it doesn't get cluttered as fast. And then here's the dining room table. And I did happen to find my peonies, so I went ahead and pulled those out. But again, as you can see, pretty bare. And then the kitchen, so my coffee bar area, I kind of pretty much tore everything down except for like, I left some stuff there. I need to refill the marshmallow jar, but the girls still drink hot chocolate, so I just went ahead and stored the hot chocolate somewhere else. And I did forget to take this off, so I do need to take that off as well. And then I did leave this wreath up because I like it there. I kind of really like the wreaths right now, and so I went ahead and I left the wreath up there. And then this right here is a really pretty cookie jar, but I bought it, but then I had buyer's remorse, I guess. I don't see myself using a cookie jar that I can't see through. When I started thinking about it, I was like, I can't even see what's inside of it. I don't know. In my head, it just makes more sense to have a clear. So I'm gonna get one of those later. So I'll probably give this to my mom or something, I'm not sure. And then that is pretty much it. So as you can see, it is pretty bare, and I'm okay with that. I kind of like that style. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, this undecorate with me and Christmas storage. I don't know what to call it, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know how many bins is too many bins for Christmas decor. At least what do you guys do? I would like to know that. Alright, well, I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.